Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing accounts and device profiles so you can separate browsing contexts. Create or choose 2 Google accounts and decide which one will be primary versus secondary. Once done, enable Android users or set up a work profile in settings to keep apps distinct. Install additional browsers only if you want varied engines. Make sure Chrome is updated. Then open Chrome and sign into your first account to establish the baseline profile and sync preferences. Next, you create multiple Chrome instances and configure them. Open Chrome, tap the profile icon, choose Add Account, and sign into your secondary Google account. This makes a separate profile with its own bookmarks and history. If you need isolation, use settings to enable app cloning or use the Android work profile so each Chrome runs independently. Once profiles exist, customize sync, site permissions, and autofill per profile, so each instance behaves how you want across tabs and extensions. Finally, you switch and finalize settings to work across browsers seamlessly. Tap the profile icon to switch profiles quickly, or use the separate Chrome icon created by the work profile for true isolation. Make sure bookmarks and passwords are syncing as intended, then tweak site permissions per profile. If something breaks, clear cache and data for that profile, or remove and re-add the account. And if sync conflicts keep happening, install a different browser for one account until reproduction is resolved.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.